Hello friends, are you ready for unboxing RTX 4070 Ti? This is a custom built gaming PC. So let's begin. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what is this? Oh, 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 what are you doing? Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, what is this? Connected. Are you jumpy? So let's start. Oh wow.